Hello and welcome to another video in this series. In the previous two videos, we saw the implementation of tokenization using SpaCy and NLTK. In today's video, we will see the implementation of stop words remover from a given tokens. So what is stop words? Stop words are words that do not have much meaning within a text. So for example, we have and, is, and, so, in, and etc. These are all stop words. They do not give much meaning to a sentence. So because of this, we need to remove them from our tokens. Otherwise, they are going to influence the output of the model's performance. So with this, let's dive into the implementations. So firstly, I will create a file, and this file will be called stop words. Stop words, and I will create a cell. So we are doing two implementations. One is NLTK and the other implementation is SpaCy. And firstly, we will start with NLTK. For this, we need to import the dependency. So import dependencies, and for this we can say import NLTK and from NLTK dot corpus import stop words. So these are our dependencies we have imported, and I've run the cell. So hopefully you should see this cell running correctly. So next, we need to read our text file. So we are going to work with our same text file used in the previous two examples. So for this, I can say with open, and this is just a basic file operations in Python. So yeah, we can pass in dext.txt and read operation as content, and here we can save into the variable called text dext content dot read. So we have read our text file and saved those contents into the text variable. And next would be to tokenize those variable text word tokenizations. So I will have a comment here also. OKENR tokenization of text file, and here we can say tokens is a sign NLTK dot war underscore tokenize, and here we will pass in our text parameter. So this is how we tokenize our text, and after this we also need to set our stop words. So setting up the stop words, up the stop word, and for this we can say we can store the stop words into a variable called stop stop underscore words, and for this we will say set, because we might have repeating words in our corpus. So for that we want to have unique words, so we use the set function. So set, and instead we can say stop words dot words, and in here we will pass in what? We will pass in the English language, ENGLISH, and the next step will be after we have our tokens and our stop loss, we need to make the comparison and check if our tokens is in a stop loss. If the tokens is found within the stop loss, then we don't have to print the stop loss. We are only going to print the words that are not token, that are not a stop loss. So for that, we can say we can have a for loop. So let me say printing. Let me set the printing, and let us say for now let's print just the tokens to see what I'm talking about. So printing the tokens, and we can say for token in token. So print token, and let us run our cell. So like we said, stop loss we have is a, off, and that, on. These are all stop loss. They do not have much meaning within this sentence, so for that we need to remove them. So let us try to remove stop loss. So now we can say for token into in docs, not docs, but tokens, tokens, token, if the token not in stop loss, then we should print our token. So let us run this. So let's explain this first. So we run our for loop, we generate our individual tokens, and then check the condition. If token is not in stop loss, then we should print. So here we can see previously we had some stop loss like is, a, and that, off. But now if we see in the tokens that we have generated after removing the stop loss, now you can see we don't have those stop loss. So this is how we implement a stop loss remover using NLTK, and our next will be using a SpaCy. So this is very simple. Again, we will import our dependency, and this is a SpaCy, SpaCy. So let us run this cell, and hopefully this should run smoothly without any error. Next will be loading our data set. ATING, loading the data set. And for this we will save into the variable called NLP. This is by convention. So SpaCy.load, and in this load we will pass in the model. So what is the model? We installed a 3 model. In the previous tokenization video, we had small, medium, and large model. In this case, I'm going to use small, so we use en underscore core code underscore web underscore sm. So this is how we load. This is how we load our model, and after loading the model, let's save. And in the next cell, we will have our document. So document doc equals NLP, and in NLP we will pass in our text. We have already stored the text file content into a variable called text, so we don't have to do that again. So for that we will use our same text variable text text, and now we can try to print. Let's try to print again just token and see. So for this we can say for token in doc print token token, and you can see the stop loss using SpaCy. The stop loss, we still have the stop loss because we are using the plain text directly into SpaCy. So now we have stopwatch, but again, let's try to remove stopwatch. Very easy using SpaCy. So we will go again with our for loop. So so for token in docs, so we check our condition. If not token dot is stop, is underscore stop, stop, then we should print the token. Print token. So let us run our cell again. Now you see all of the stopwatch have been removed from these tokens. So yeah, this is how we implement stopwatch removal using SpaCy and NLTK. So if you do love the video, I would love you to leave your comment in the comment section. And with this and more, I'll see you in the next video.